Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reck. Today we will have another ReckyTech and I'm gonna show you how you earn while shopping. Today we will have an app. It's called Shopback. Basically, Shopback is like an app where you can purchase through this app and you can have your own cashback. So that means you will be able to earn while you shop. Shopback is like an app where you can earn percentage on every purchase. So this is how it looks like with the Shopback. As you can see here, I have 3,275.13 pesos lifetime earnings. Check cashback history. You'll be able to see here the available balance. We have 2,262.12. That's the amount that is withdrawable. And I have pending earnings of 1,013. These pending earnings are still in the process of checking if it's a successful order. Here I have this cashback that I own. It's 0.26, 1.14. I have 100 through referral. These are the Food Panda. So I purchased Food Panda. That's how much I can get with every purchase. I have Lazada. I have Food Panda. So imagine if you collect that money every now and then while you shop, that means you can earn that much. I'm gonna check you the different status. It has pending, rejected, and confirmed. So when you say pending, that's still in audit. They're gonna check that one if it's successful order or not. If it's rejected, that means it's not a successful order. But when it's confirmed, that means you successfully ordered and you will earn the cash back. So as you can see here, these are the pending items that I got, and I'll show you one. This 5 pesos, 0.29. So as you can see here, you will earn that one on November 8, 2020. So I purchased that July 10. It will take like 90 days, it depends. So we have here July 8, and this cashback will be available on September 22. So that's how I earn. So I don't have a withdrawal history, and I'll get to show you later on. So how this cashback works. So as you can see here, there are different categories in where you can purchase online. So there are food, fashion, travel. So you have also their shortcuts. You have official brands. So once you click that one, it will create a link and you can earn cashback. Those are the things you can see here. Now let's try to purchase. How to purchase through Shopback. So the common way in how to purchase Shopback is through Lazada. So if you can see here, Lazada, it will create a link of 70% cashback. Last September 9, you have a $9.99 promo, so you can earn on top of that. It's 7% cashback, so let's try to order through Lazada. Once you click that link, it will navigate you to the affiliate landing page. So make sure that when you open Lazada, you should open the link through Shopback and then search Lazada and then click that link. So it will navigate you to the landing page. Now on this landing page, this is where you can order. I'm gonna order Wi-Fi. So I'm looking actually for this one. So I'm gonna order this TP-Link 7350, which is the 4G LTE mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. So I'm gonna order that one, and you have delivered 99 pesos. Let me check the reviews. Okay, there are 200 reviews for that. Okay, so there are a lot of 5 compared to the 4 and 3. So that's how I ordered. So let's gonna add it there, and let's go to cart. There, I have here now the TP-Link mobile Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna order that and check out. Alright, so okay, and then this the delivery address, the amount, and it should be cash on delivery. If you have the voucher, you can add the voucher. But as of the moment, I don't have one, so let's place an order. Alright, so that's it. That's how I shop. So it will take a few hours or minutes for that one to reflect on Shopback. So you will see that one here on this notifications. Now, let's try to withdraw the money in Shopback. Go to withdrawal history and start withdrawal now. Okay, and as you can see here, I have withdrawable amount and we've already set the verified bank number. You can actually add bank and then go to BPI and then your bank account name and then also your bank number. So you can add payment for that one. So it will be verified through the notification of your bank. We will get now the amount that is withdrawable. So that's 2,262.12. So if you ask how long I've been using that one, from the start, I used my Shopback last 2017. It's almost 3 years, but I regularly ordered last year until today. So that's how I earn. And then let's go with Grow. Okay, it will show you the OTP link on your mobile number. Alright, so I have here now and click Submit. Alright, so please wait while your request is being processed. So view withdrawal history. So I've processed now the request, and it shows here that your bank withdrawal request is being reviewed and will be processed within 3 to 5 working days. So estimated date of transfer will be September 18, 2020, and today is September 12th. Alright, so that's how you can earn. Once I receive the money, I'll show you that it's successful. Hey guys, today we will try to check if our earnings has already been transferred to our bank account. Okay, let's go to Shopback. Alright, then we will go to check cashback history. Okay, so just click the amount on the screen. And as you can see here, we have withdrawn 2,262.12 and withdrawal history. Yes. So it shows here processing. So your bank account request is still reviewed. So withdrawal is in progress. It's showing here processing, but let's try to check if it's already been transferred to our account. So let's go to my UTI account. Okay, because I think I already received the amount. There, yeah. She's showing September 14, 438 e-link payment, 438 e-link payment. So we have 2,262.12. So meaning this is the exact amount that we requested to be transferred to our bank account. These are our earnings from Shopback. So meaning it was successfully transferred to our account. So that's how I earn with Shopback. Thank you so much guys for watching. This has been Reck, and see you on my next ReckyTech. Bye!